In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or just looking for a quick and easy guide, stick around as I walk you through each step. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to generate QR codes without any fuss. Start on the Canva homepage. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Apps button, usually found on the left side of your dashboard. Clicking this will give you access to a wide range of tools and integrations that Canva offers. Next, use the search bar and type in QR code. This will bring up the options you need. Look for the QR code generator in the search results and click on it to open the tool. Canva's user-friendly interface makes the process quick and straightforward. Now you'll need a URL that you want your QR code to link to. This could be your website, a landing page, or any other link you choose. Copy the URL and paste it into the designated field in the QR code generator. This step is crucial because it determines where people will land when they scan your QR code. Once your URL is entered, locate the Generate Code button and click it. Canva will create your QR code in moments, and just like that, your QR code is ready to use. You can now incorporate it into your designs, download it for later, or share it with others. The QR code will retain the link information you provided, making it an easy way to connect viewers with your online content. Remember, QR codes are incredibly versatile. They're a simple yet effective way to direct potential clients, customers, or peers to your webpage, portfolio, or any online resource you want to highlight. By learning how to create these in Canva, you've taken an important step in enhancing your digital communication strategy. I hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.